As some of you may know, Dome 24/7 has just been released from Infinity Ward, and about 5-10 minutes ago, Dome 24/7 TDM has turned into Terminal 24/7. So the players that already know this are going to be happy because people like Terminal, but the people that don't like Terminal are going to be not really upset. So I'm just telling you that Terminal 24/7 is now up and running, so enjoy basically. And what map do you reckon is next? Comment on the map you think's next. Subscribe to my channel, Don Rich Gaming, and the map I think's next is Seatown. I think Seatown's next. So comment what map you want next. Have a good day. Bye.